Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be discussing to you guys all about the drawing board in Heartopia. So I'm just going to get out my drawing board here and I'm just going to place it. You can actually paint anywhere you want, even outside of your house. So you're just going to press this paint button to start painting. And here you see a bunch of options you can choose from. From here to here, you're just drawing on a canvas. From here to here, you're drawing on an outfit or an accessory. Then from here to here, you're kind of drawing on a furniture. So for instance, you want to draw on a canvas. You can also change the precision. So if you choose this one, the squares will be very big. If you choose this one, the squares will be very small. So here's an example. I'm just going to start painting. Here's to turn on the grid on and off. If I zoom in, the squares aren't that small. But if I change the precision to this one, I have to kind of zoom in a lot for it to show up. And if you wanted to show, if you want to paint on both sides, you can use this duplicate thing. Not duplicate, but mirror. And you can basically draw like that. Here is the paint tool to just paint. I don't know why I have to explain that. And then we also have some line here. There we go. We also have some shapes. And then this one's the eraser. And then this one's the stamps for stickers and stuff like that. But yeah, that's how you can use the drawing board. It is that simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!